Okay, here we have the on the desk bike, and this video will show you how to replace the console. So first you'll remove the cover here, and then next thing will be turn it over, and then we will be removing 4 different screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have removed all the screws. We'll turn it to the side, and we will take off the 2 screws holding the console to the frame. Okay, and then here you see there's 2 cables connecting to the console, so we will need to remove the 2 connectors. Okay, here we will cut off the zip tie. Okay, you will take the replacement console and attach it to the connectors. And then one is, so on the console there is a female one, you connect to the male one on the frame. And then the second one on the frame is a female one, so you'll connect the male one from the console to it. Okay, so after both is connected, if you don't have a zip tie at home, you could use the twist tie that you can get from the supermarket. And then what you want to do is to put a zip tie or the twist tie to the original place that it was at, and then secure it. Okay. Then the next thing you would do is put the screws back into the cover. Okay, then we are going to attach the console back to the frame. Okay, and then you can put a battery back in, put on the cover. And this is how you will replace the console on the desk bike.